How to connect Instagram to Meta Business Suite. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can connect your Instagram to your Meta Business Suite account. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step is head over to business.facebook.com. Now after that, make sure that you log in into your Meta Business Suite. After you do that, here on the top, you will see an option to connect Instagram. Simply tap on it. After you tap on it, all you now have to do is you can either create a new Instagram profile or simply log into Instagram. So after you tap on log into Instagram, tap on continue, and after you tap on continue, all you have to now do is log in as your account. So simply tap in login, and if prompted, type in your password. And after you type in your password, all you now have to do is tap on continue, and after you tap on continue, you will just get this loading screen. So wait for it while it loads, and while it loads you can go down below and hit the subscribe button to our channel and stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos. So yeah, after this loading completes, your Instagram will get connected to your Meta Business Suite. As you can see, it has even gave me a connected verification. So now tap on done and you're good to go. And that's basically how you do it, guys. And that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.